Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about new Uber Pro Rewards update. So in some markets, Uber has added an update to their Pro Rewards program, and it has not been pretty for those who are in their markets. While it has not been the most valuable in most markets, some people have found value in some of the perks that come with it. Now that this update has been made, it has become much harder to access, especially with the new requirements as of late. So in this video, we are talking about everything you must know about this Uber Eats update, what they tell you versus how it actually is, and everything in between. But before we do that, let's go over a quick disclaimer. The content of this video does not contain and is never intended to be legal, business, financial, tax, or health advice of any kind. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It is advised that you conduct your own research and consult qualified professionals before applying anything you find online. I also want to be clear that everything that we're going to be going over is very market dependent, especially since we're talking about Uber, and what applies to me may not apply to you. So with that said, let's get started. Over the past few months, we piloted changes to the Uber Eats Pro program that rewarded couriers with higher status. We observed that couriers with gold or higher status earned over 40% more per hour than green couriers. We are now introducing these program changes into your city starting 6/3. This is a ridiculous statement, to be honest, because no shit. Like, in order to reach the higher levels in the Uber Pro Rewards program, you only need to get points. Get points by accepting and completing orders. That's it. There's nothing too rocket sciencey about that. The problem is that in some markets have better orders than others, and if those drivers aren't in a good market, it is impossible to hit those high numbers. So yeah, drivers that hit gold or higher will make more money simply by doing the work. Introducing preferred deliveries. Get ready to maximize earnings. Starting 6/3, gold, platinum, and diamond couriers will receive priority access to higher paying deliveries based on their Uber Pro status over green couriers through a new Uber Eats Pro reward called Preferred Deliveries. Plus, enjoy exclusive rewards that improve your day-to-day experience, such as Costco membership, Arizona State University scholarship, premium support, and more. Okay, every market is going to be different based on the rewards they have access to. I have found that out the hard way, that some benefits are just not available in some markets. By making a video and having everyone telling me that they had about the benefits that I had that they didn't, and vice versa, which is why I put the eligibility stats on screen instead of just listing them off, because what it is for me in my market, each market's going to be a different series of requirements. Now, in my experience, preferred deliveries on any platform isn't really a benefit worth pursuing on the platform. Doordash has always made claims like this, and in most cases, drivers didn't find the change in quality that they claimed they would be receiving. Also, higher acceptance rate in this case would also lead to more miles driven and more expenses on you personally. Remember, more orders is not the same as more money, and more orders doesn't mean good orders. I wouldn't compromise your standards for preferred deliveries. Do what is profitable for you. Changes to Uber Pro eligibility criteria. We're introducing acceptance rate as a new Uber Eats Pro criteria. Your acceptance rate, percentage of exclusive trip requests, rides, and deliveries that you accept out of the total number of exclusive trip requests you receive. We are also making updates to the cancellation rate, satisfaction rate, and points criteria, giving you more flexibility to advance through the statuses. So essentially, Uber became DoorDash. Dasher Rewards and Uber Pro Rewards are essentially the same thing, except most people identify as Uber Pro Rewards to be less necessary. You may not have access to the rewards the same way as before, but it isn't impeding on your work the way Dasher Rewards applied to DoorDash. You could still go online whenever you want, unless you're in New York City or any of those other states where they have laws like that, in which case that's a different conversation. Most benefits can be found elsewhere. The last time I went through all of these benefits, I videos pointing out how most of them are glorified affiliate links promoting their own products, and some are just niche things that is hardly worth the effort. I am all for saving money on things you were going to buy anyway, but really it's the same thing. If it is just a one-time sign-up bonus to something you should have had before doing any of the work. Honestly, I think I could set up most of these benefits and have them available for gig workers so they don't think they have to take bad orders in order to access them. Still not as good as multi-apping. I have said it once and I will say it again. No matter what promotion they offer, it will never be as good as multi-apping. That means you need to have a diversified gig portfolio. It means you always have access to the best possible opportunities. That means you develop an exit strategy. Remember, the gig economy is an income bridge to what would be a long-term goal. It's not the goal. It's not just accepting any offer that comes your way. These are things that I talk about constantly in the Driven Wyld Discord server. The Driven Wyld Discord community is exclusive for gig workers looking to expand their knowledge and expertise in their self-employment and entrepreneurial journeys. I've partnered with high-level professionals, bringing you some of the most exclusive benefits based on your needs as a gig worker. Exclusive professional opportunities and gig postings, more live streams with high-level professionals in our industry, educational systems designed to help you build your own delivery service provider, as well as other scalable opportunities. By the way, we just kicked off our Build Your Own Delivery Service Provider course, and we are changing the game and transforming how businesses serve customers and how gig workers get greater opportunities. So whether you're a gig worker looking for more opportunities to earn, or an exit strategy because the gig economy is an income bridge to what would be a long-term goal and not the goal, and you would like to see something with growth potential and scalability, there is something here for you. Check the link in the description to get started making the most amount of money in the least amount of time and in the safest possible way. We are excited and looking forward to helping you secure your financial future. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.